Looking for the best fishing rods to upgrade your gear in 2026? You're in the right place. In this video, we've carefully picked the top 5 best fishing rods of 2026 based on performance, durability, value for money, and real angler feedback. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these rods are built to help you land more fish and enjoy every cast. All product links are available in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. 5. Ugly Stick GX2. Meet the next generation of toughness with the Ugly Sticks 6 GX2 spinning fishing rod and reel combo, designed for anglers who demand strength, balance, and reliability. From the makers of the world's #1 rod series, this combo features upgraded components, a perfectly balanced Ugly Tech graphite and fiberglass construction, and the iconic Ugly Stick clear tip for added sensitivity without sacrificing durability. The size 30 spinning reel delivers smooth performance with a lightweight, corrosion-resistant aluminum spool, a 5.2:1 gear ratio, and a fast 28-inch recovery per crank. Outfitted with 6 ultra-durable Ugly Tough stainless steel guides to reduce line fray, this 4-piece medium power rod handles 6 to 15-pound line and 8 to 5/8 lures with confidence. Built to last and backed by a 10-year warranty, it even includes a cloth rod and reel travel bag, so you're always ready for what's next. 4. Ocum Classic Pro GLT. Built to handle the toughest days on the water, this rod delivers extreme durability with an E-glass blank construction that provides outstanding strength and reliability when it matters most. Premium fore and rear grips on every model ensure a comfortable, confident hold for all-day fishing, while the tip-over-butt ferrule connection keeps you solidly connected with added strength at critical stress points. A stainless steel hook keeper securely holds your bait or hook between casts, and the stainless steel hooded reel seat with graphite cushion inserts locks your reel firmly in place for smooth, dependable performance. This is a rod designed for anglers who demand durability, control, and confidence on every cast. 3. Ghost Horn 6 FT. Upgrade your fishing game with this all-in-one premium fishing combo designed for power, precision, and durability. The 30-ton all-graphite telescopic fishing rod is 20% lighter than traditional carbon fiberglass blends, delivering faster responsiveness without sacrificing strength, while ceramic guide rings with weaving plus resin technology ensure long-lasting performance. Paired with an upgraded reel featuring 3 carbon fiber drag washers, one-way no-gap stainless steel bearings, and an all-metal rocker arm, it provides an ultra-smooth yet powerful drag system with stopping power up to 34.3 pounds for 15.6 kilograms, ready for both freshwater and saltwater action. The set also includes upgraded fish pliers with sharp side-mounted milling cutters for effortless line cutting and an ergonomic, non-slip handle to reduce hand fatigue, plus a corrosion-resistant fish lip gripper that's easy to operate with one finger and built to perform reliably in any environment. Perfect for anglers who demand lightweight performance, strength, and professional-grade reliability. 2. Plus Inno EW3000. Get everything you need to start fishing right away with this complete 100% carbon fiber fishing kit, specially designed for beginners and casual anglers. The set includes 1 fishing rod, 1 fishing reel, assorted lures, hooks, fishing line, a carry bag, and essential accessories, so there's no need to buy anything extra. The rod is made from high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass, offering excellent elasticity, strength, and durability, while the telescopic portable design makes it easy to carry anywhere. Featuring a stainless steel hooded reel seat for anti-corrosion protection, a comfortable EVA foregrip, and a medium power extended handle, this combo delivers smooth and reliable performance. The reel comes with instant anti-reverse, a powerful drive gear, deep aluminum spool, large line capacity, and a 5.2:1 gear ratio for efficient casting and retrieval. Backed by a 12-month warranty and responsive customer support, this all-in-one fishing kit is the perfect choice for anyone ready to enjoy fishing with confidence. 1 Sugayalang fishing rod combos. Experience premium performance on every cast with this 100% carbon fiber fishing rod and reel combo, designed for anglers who want power, portability, and reliability in one complete kit. The set includes a carbon fiber telescopic rod, smooth spinning reel, carrier bag, fishing line, 3 lures, and essential accessories. Everything you need to to hit the water with confidence. The rod is crafted from high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass for exceptional strength and durability, featuring lightweight SSC ceramic guide rings with low friction and superior heat dissipation, firmly secured with advanced epoxy resin. The reel delivers ultra-smooth action with 13+1 corrosion-resistant ball bearings, a powerful 5.51 gear ratio, precision gears, and an interchangeable CNC machined aluminum handle, plus an extra aluminum spool with an aerospace-grade honeycomb design for strength without added weight. Comfortable EVA knobs ensure a secure, non-slip grip during long fishing sessions. Lightweight and portable, this Sugelang spinning combo easily fits in your car trunk, boat, or backpack. Perfect for fishing anytime, anywhere. Backed by a worry-free one-year service, this combo lets you focus on what matters most, enjoying the thrill of the catch. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best fishing rods of 2026. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first rod or an experienced angler upgrading your gear, each of these options offers great performance, durability, and value. All product links are listed in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and deals. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest fishing gear reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and tight lines. We'll see you in the next video.